corners of the streets where the wild ones roam. Little faces peeking out, they're fighting for a home. Community cats with stories hidden deep inside, each one a survivor with nowhere left to hide. Abandoned and alone, they wander through the night, just looking for a friend, someone to hold them tight.
But listen closely, you can make a change. Join the fight against neglect, it's time to rearrange. Spay and neuter, that's the way